Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we're going to be working on the Stuart tank. So here's this front part. It doesn't require any sprue cutting or whatever. Here's all these parts. These are all good. This one is even good too. The only sprue cuts we need to pay attention to is the little support plastic underneath this gun. So you see how that got taken off. And I'm working in the HO scale. This should work with a tiny scale. Just be careful. If you're working with a larger scale, it's just simply easier. So essentially that is the sprue cutting for this kit. So now let's go ahead and glue this kit together. Let's take some glue. Put it down. This is just Loctite super glue. Probably not the best, but works for me for now. All right. There you go. So there's the main part of that tank glued together. And of course, as you can imagine, this piece of course will be glued next. So just take this glue here. There you go. And then go like that. Perfect. So there you have that. So if you will notice, if you put glue on there, that's okay. But that glue there was not needed, apparently. Didn't pay attention to that. While that's gluing and stuff, let's go ahead and glue this turret together. Just take some glue, go like that. Now carefully, put this like that. There you go. So the turret is glued successfully. Now the recon turret, you just need to take a bit of glue there and there. And then, here, let's take this recon turret, glue it together. You just need to go like that. There you go. That should be good for the recon turret. So while those turrets are drying, let's get these tracks glued together. So you can just put some glue there, 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 and there. That should be excellent. Now, you can put the tracks on like this. There you go. Let's do the other side. Just get some glue there. All these various spots. We're actually done with the glue now. Now it's just a matter of placing the piece. I should go test it on that table. There you go. All right. Then there is the turret for the little Stuart tank. And then here's the recon turret. All right, this is available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.